I think we have to do it again. I am Alessandro Ossola, Paralympic athlete from Italy. I'm here for trying the new Genium X4 and it's amazing. I did some training today with my blade that I use for the competition with the 3S80 and the 1E91. The blade is unbelievable. It's so fast. Sports, it's like a second chance for me and it helps to bring my life back. I'm not worried about the competition. I know that a good result is not made in the competition, it's made during the training. Ottobock, it's a special partner for me. It's also important for us, the tools you use. And Ottobock realized for me a customized blade that I can use during the training and during the competition. This is really, really important in the final result for performing at the top. I am so close to the Paralympics. I know that the results are so good. I will do my best. See you in Paris. Ci vediamo a Parigi.